Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. Today we're continuing our discussion about personalities. If you've not seen type 1 or 2, you can go over to YouTube or any of our social media and catch up on those. So let's dive into type 3. These are the storytellers. They value relationships and they want you to listen. They're the people who want to tell you what they had for dinner, what their kids do, who they had dinner with, and they can be a challenge when trying to be time efficient. But folks, they can also be your best cheerleaders in the community. The 3 C's are one of our best tools with these customers. So if you don't know what they are or how to use them properly, seek that information out. We'll be covering it soon on our page, and it is a staple in our training courses. They value details. They want to be educated. Visual and verbal forms of communication are so strong with them. This is where your level of attention to detail will really make or break the experience for this customer. So slow it down and invest in them, and they will invest in you. Join us next week for the 4th and final type. If you like what you see, follow us on social media and share it with others. You can also join our upcoming training course. Reach out to us by phone or website if you need more information on that. And as always, we can't wait to see you.